Good day, everyone. Imagine a world where our historical heroes fade into obscurity, their influence replaced by contemporary ideals and aspirations. Today, we explore Renato Constantino's provocative thesis in Our Task is to Make Rizal Obsolete, which challenges Jose Rizal, the iconic Philippine national hero, can be rendered obsolete in our modern context. Constantino argues that Rizal's elevation to near deity status stagnates national consciousness and impedes critical analysis of contemporary issues. He critiques the glorification of Rizal as a colonial strategy, urging us to reassess his relevance in shaping Philippine identity today. While his argument sparks debate, it forces us to question if Rizal's legacy still resonates with our aspirations for progress. Despite criticisms, Rizal remains a potent symbol of Filipino nationalism and progressive thought. His writings on social justice, education, and civil liberties resonate with ongoing struggles for equality and human rights globally. His teachings continue to inspire generations to strive for a better Philippines. Constantino's call challenges the Filipino to move beyond historical reverence and embrace more relevant role models. Globally, we've seen how historical figures have been reassessed to reflect current values and aspirations. However, Rizal's enduring legacy lies not just in historical deeds but in his timeless ideals that shape our national consciousness. While Constantino's challenge is thought provoking, we must recognize that Rizal's legacy transcends time. As we navigate our future, let us honor Rizal by contextualizing his teachings within contemporary challenges. Embracing Rizal's ideals can empower us to address current societal issues with wisdom and courage. Thank you.